A piece of steel begins its journey here. A factory powered by digital intelligence, making every process precise and under control. MES intelligent scheduling, fully integrated. Every process unfolds seamlessly through intelligent collaboration. Intelligent overhead cranes, precise positioning. Fully automated scheduling for efficient material flow. Quality begins at the source. Steel plates undergo multiple inspections, composition analysis, performance testing, and ultrasonic examination. Built on uncompromising standards, ensuring every steel plate is reliable from the inside out. Transformation begins with pre-treatment. Shot blasting removes rust, restoring the metal to its original condition. Automatic marking gives every component a unique digital identity, one code for each piece, ensuring full traceability. Fully automated flame and laser cutting delivers precise blanking without human intervention. Intelligent sorting places everything in its rightful position. High precision leveling ensures perfect flatness. Beveling robots and gantry milling machines, every precise forming lays the groundwork for seamless fusion ahead. Digital-driven, seamlessly connected. AGV Intelligent Logistics connects the entire facility, keeping material flow orderly and efficient. Paperless operations, digital guidance, mold repair, positioning, tack welding, all executed with meticulous precision, strictly following standards. Heavy-duty cranes empower the entire facility. With a lifting capacity of 320 tons, every movement is smooth, stable, and precise. Intelligent welding systems work in cluster collaboration. Over 150 cloud-connected intelligent welding machines coordinate with more than 30 sets of various automatic welding systems. Diverse processes, full material coverage, highly efficient synergy. The IoT data platform empowers the entire process. Every weld is a testament to quality. Comprehensive post-weld inspection with 100% ultrasonic testing. Every single weld stands up to rigorous testing. Green manufacturing, cleanliness first. High-efficiency dust extraction throughout the entire facility. Intelligent ventilation, cleaner air, healthier workplaces. Heat treatment aging, shot blasting, coating, drying. Technology extends the service life of steel. Certified to 12 internationally recognized management and quality systems, including ISO 9001, ISO 3834-2, EN 1090-2, and D1, D2 pressure vessel certifications. Quality is built on robust systems. Trust is built on traceability. Empowering key sectors, metallurgy, forging, machine tools, energy and chemicals, construction machinery, large-scale testing equipment, and more, bearing the weight of industrial development through intelligent manufacturing. The intelligent journey of a piece of steel. The true strength of intelligent manufacturing. Empowering manufacturing through intelligence, forging the backbone of industry with precision craftsmanship.